Hadin gajinya kami ki Nongkhaii Ksiar ha gajinya te lok lang ki runar ka jala Assam and Meghalaya. U Director General of Police DGP ULR Bishnoi lapen te pakani ka Ksiar ka 1 na United Arab Emirates bat lapen poi bi an ha Bangladesh pa hadin kata sawan rapat India. Haba crunch ki lai pathai ko bor menta ka khnai tarik nai tung ulo ong ba ki Nongkhaii Ksiar ki la rai ban le ki ga kam hadin bi ki la e no ya ka kam khai drug. Shushu lapen te pakat kum ki kot ki slab la yo ne ki Nongkhaii na sham ki Nongkhaii bi an kiba ki pulit gila suba ba ki don nuclear nong panyat ha Bangladesh kilo ong ru ki ting thu ban stang pan ngom ya south pangot ki khna samla na shlong ha ka kam ban khai bi an u drok pat ka Ksiar.
To brief you about an operation conducted by Nongkhaii District Police under the overall command of SP Sri Giri Prasad, and in the whole operation nearly 16 people they have taken part. Out of 16, 13 belong to Nongkhaii districts and 3 from the East Khasi Hill districts. 16, 1 additional SP, 2 DSP, 3 sub-inspector, 1 lance naik and 9 constable. All these 16 people were part of our operational team who successfully conducted operation on the basis of an input, and we have so far, we have arrested 5 people, namely Abu Bakr from Barpeta district of Assam, Aziz Lingdo from Dhobi Ghat Laban of Shillong, Sahanja again of Barpeta, Assam, and one lady Subalin Kharbani from Mawlai district of Shillong, and one Muhammad Sadiq Ali again of Barpeta of Assam. And the operation started on long back on 24th June, and yesterday only successfully operation was concluded after the arrest of Muhammad Sadiq Ali, the last accused wanted in this case. So we have seized 7 number of biscuits, gold biscuits, each biscuit weighing 117 gram. So total weight is 819 gram, and this is a 24 carat pure gold. And the market cost of these biscuits as on today is approximately 50 lakh rupees. On the basis of the interrogation statement of Abu Bakr, we have conducted multiple raids in the various locations of Meghalaya as well as Assam, and we were able to apprehend one Shanjha from Barpeta districts, and we have recovered total 27 lakh rupees and 11,480 cash. In cash, we have also seized 4 ATM cards, 3 identity cards, and 10 numbers of mobile phones. So after the CDR analysis, we found that the interstate gang is operating to smuggle gold from Bangladesh to Meghalaya, and from Meghalaya to Guwahati, and from Guwahati to Siliguri, and then other parts of India. So far we have arrested total 5 people, and we unearthed the nexus between the Assam as well as the Meghalaya criminals. As we all know, the Bangladesh is not the original producer of gold. This gold is smuggled from UAE, illegally taken to Bangladesh, and from Bangladesh to India. Why? Because rates of gold of 1 gram in UAE is 4,410 rupees, and when it reaches Bangladesh, it becomes 4,600. So margin is about 190 rupees in 1 gram of gold. And when it is taken to India, then the rate further increases to 5,121 rupees per gram. So approximately margin is 581 rupees in 1 gram. So you can very well understand the dynamics of the economy here and the illegal money generated. And also we were surprised to know during interrogations that these 5 number of accused, earlier they were indulged in drug trafficking and fake currency racket also. After collecting information from the Assam police, we found their involvement in drug trafficking, And when the Assam police has arrested many drug traffickers and seized large number of contrabands, after that they decided to switch over to gold smuggling business. And their intention was to lure the youth of Shillong, both boys and girls, for illegal activities, particularly the drug trafficking and the gold smuggling. Their target was to convert nearly 4,000 youths from Shillong alone to take them into the illegal business of gold smuggling and also the drug trafficking. This we came to know from the documents recovered from the accused. So this is in brief about the case. One or two more names have come up yesterday night only. Our operation is on to name those two accused. They are not in Meghalaya. They may not be in Assam also. They may be in other states. So our hunt is on for those accused who have escaped from the police dragnet.